Looks like 2 o'clock in the morning. Why are we here? That was me. We heard a cough. Hello, were you not listening? We heard a cough. There is a child actively dying in the other room. Ringing it in, we heard one cough. There's probably lots of reasons for that, right? It could be anything from a slight throat tickle to allergies to something more serious. More serious. We're just gonna leave croup, RSV, tuberculosis, the plague as something more serious. I hate you. Hatred is the ebony dark blood of my blackened soul. Who are you? That is your 14-year-old angst. Rawr. Why is she here? I don't know, you kept her, you must have wanted her. Nope, because I don't want you, and yet here you are. Unwanted, unloved, understood. This is my bleak existence. Unness. You guys, a little bit of chamomile tea, a little bit of honey, maybe a splash of elderberry syrup. It'll fix that cough right up. The elderberry syrup is questionable, but the tea is actually not a bad solution. There was a recent study published. Yeah, tea. That'll perk that plague baby right up. Oh, for the love. Okay. It was one cough, one singular cough, probably choked on spit. Let's go back to bed and we'll check on it in the morning. Okay. Son of a me!